I stand before you today, not just a student, not just a child, but a voice, a dream, a promise. They say, I'm too young to lead, too small to make a difference. But I say, I am the future, I am tomorrow's light. Look around you. Our world cries for kindness. Our streets beg for peace. Our planet longs for care. I will not wait for heroes. I will not wait for someone else. Because yes, I can be the hero my world needs. I'll speak the truth even when it shakes my voice. I will choose what is right even when it is not easy. I'll stand tall even when the world tries to push me down. I am the hope of my family. I am the dream of my teachers. I am the answer to tomorrow's prayers. So hear me, world. I am ready. I'm strong. I am the change. Thank you po.